This is Monday the 23rd of March 2026 at Kildare. I'm at the Sunshine Yard Foaling Unit area. Now this is a mare called Cape Dollar. Her star is Cape Cross. Her dam is Green Dollar. She's only here to foal. She's a foal to Venus of Spain. She was due to foal the 27th of the 2nd. She foaled the 21st of the 3rd, 26. She had a bay colt and it weighed 52 kilograms. Yeah, can you see? You get the foal there? You get the foal? Yeah. Can you see the mare?
Yeah.
You're not getting the bars out. Right, I'll get my...
Here you do.
I get some of my mobile, you get some of my camcorder. Where's my mobile? You got my mobile? What?
It's in the camera case.
This is Monday the 23rd of March 2026 at the Kildare. I'm at the Sunshine Yard Foaling Unit area. I'm at a mare called Cape Dollar. This is her foal here. She had a foal by Venus of Spain, and she was due to foal the 27th of the... What's that? 27th of the 2nd. She foaled the 21st of the 3rd, 26. It was
a month late nearly.
A big colt, and it weighed 52 kilograms. But this is the foal. This is the mare here, Cape Dollar. She's in the corner here. Can get a shot of her here. You see her there now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, I can just about get her. I can just about get her on my phone, just about. I can just about get her. She's in the corner. That's her foal anyway. You not get the bars, eh?
No, I'm trying not to. You do.
I can't, I'm holding the phone. But
There's loads of bars in here.
I just grab what this one. Yeah, this is right here now. Actually, I could get a bit better here. Just about. Just a fall. It's hard to avoid the bars, isn't it? She's lovely. She's standing in a very awkward position now. Huh? This is the mare anyway. She's standing there. There's the ball. Yeah. She's the daughter of Cape Cross, the star of See the Stars. Yeah. Monday the 23rd of March 2026. We're at the Foaling Unit area. And this is a mare called Seagull. And she had a foal by... Oh, she's the daughter of See the Stars, by the way. Sorry, she's the daughter of See the Stars. Her dam is... What's that dam's name?
Camshinom.
And she's only here to foal. She is in foal. She had a foal by New Bay. She's due to foal the 2nd of the 3rd, 26. She foaled on the 20th of the 3rd, 26. It was a bay colt, and it weighed 56 kilograms. That's good. You don't usually give the...
That's big.
You don't usually give the
weight?
The weight of the sex of the foals anymore.
Anyway, you did this time.
Yeah, but they don't. I know, but normally they don't. happy they don't. Huh?
Yeah.
But this mare is just, she's not staying here. Her name's Seagull, by the way. The new one there, Seagull. I thought I'd see the dance, I suppose. The first time meeting this mare, first time seeing her here and the Irish Nasty Stud. My first time getting acquainted with this mare. Well, if she comes over and says hello, but I think she wants to stay with her foal. Her foal's fast asleep, as you can see. Fast asleep. There's her foal there. Look, get him.
Yeah, get it.
Did you get it?
Can't. It's a terrible angle thing. I can't see a thing.
Here. You can get him up there. You see it? You see the foal?
Yeah.
You put the camera right down there and look at the bars there. You see her? You see the mare?
Yeah.
You're not blocking her, right?
I'll try not to.
You don't block her face. You're not blocking her face there.
Try not to.
You don't block her face. Well, I want to be able to see the mare's face. This is for your mum as well. But remember that she can't see. Remember she can't see him. You got scared of the fucking horse. Remember your mum can't ceiling for these stables, which is only going less than 5. She's under 5 feet. She used to be able to see the mare. The mare's face. Can you see her?
There you go. Oh, look. There you go, you go.
Who's that?
Quite a hard angle, isn't it?
So there's so many bars in the stable. No. Is there any in the other side?
I think there's 2 going last night, so that should be it.
Okay, you take over the camera there.
Where are we going?
What things are in the field? Sometimes it is two foals. Sometimes it be one extra, you know.
Yeah.
The trees stay around them.
Well, hello. Art. Irish for high. Irish for high. Who?
Boomer.
Boomer, yeah.
Yeah. Pinman. This is a Hussar's Pinman. Pinman, yeah. Wall of Bounds. Wall of Bounds is her dam. That mare, she's gone to that mare, she's going to Blanford. Blanford Yard, this one here. She's going to Blanford Yard. Calcelsi wind or him. She's going to.
Shalisi.
She's going to Blanford Yard.
Oh.
You can go down to the in the Blanford Yard.
Oh.
She's going the other end. She's not going this side.
Clare Yard, yeah.
No, Blanford Yard.
Blanford Yard, not going to Clare Yard.
Huh?
Not going to Clare Yard.
No, the Blanford Yard.
Yeah.
The far side.
Yeah. Shooting sound, yeah. Blackbird.
Staff are in there checking on her just now.
Mm.
And she's lovely now. You can go down say hello to her down there if you want. You got the farm still on, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What are you filming before you come up?
Oh, just the yard.
Yeah. So, do you want to give information there?
Here you go, you do.
Oh, Liam, get me on camera. Here, Liam, get me. You getting it there? The staff are in there, and those vehicles are gone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll just get our details here. What's on it?
Khaleesi.
Khaleesi wind, exceed and excel. Dam is what's it?
Madame Ninette.
Ninette. She's visiting Blackbeard. He's in Castlehyde, in County Cork. You saw him in Castlehyde. Remember we were doing stallion trap? Yeah. He was in Coolmore. He wasn't in the one in. He was in the one in Tipperary. Then he went to Castlehyde. He wasn't in the Coolmore in Tipperary for very long.
Yeah.
And he wasn't there very long. No. And I stupidly idiot forgot to film him in the stable. And I was so excited to see him in the Tipperary one. And I stupidly forgot to film him. I had the camera, you know, near the stable, and I was talking to him, and he was overexcited. He's very excited, pacing around in the stable. And I said, "Oh, you're very excited." And stupidly, I didn't have the camera in the stable at the time. At the time he was doing it, so I didn't get any of the action of him pacing up and down, and I totally regretted it. I really regretted it when I came home, and I never got any footage. But I'm relieved now. Oh, Montclair. It's a Montclair van.
Montclair van, yeah. Right.
Montclair stuff van.
Yeah.
That was the first time I ever got a Montclair van in here. They're very long. They're very long trucks, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's actually a very long time very first time I've ever seen one. That's where Friegel was born and bred. Did you know that?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Friegel was born and bred in
Yeah, that size of it.
Really? How many horses would fit in that?
First class travel.
How many horses would fit in that?
Several.
Yeah. That's still the Friegel.
There's loads of horses over here. You want to go film these? Come on over.
No, that's what Friegel was. Montclair, you know that?
Montclair, yeah.
Yeah, Blackbeard. Yeah, she's due to fall. Oh, she's involved to the nation. Due to fall the 4th of the 3rd. Be a microchipped. Yeah, put the camera to there. This pair is going to the Blanford Yard, folks, by the way. Once here in the Blanford Yard. And the bow's got kind of a, you know, like a diamond shape mark on his forehead. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Huh? She's beautiful, Lynn. I've been looking forward to meeting you down at the Blanford Yard, girl. Do you know that? Can't wait to see you down the Blanford Yard when you move down there. Can't wait to see you down there. It'll probably be, I'm not sure, well, I won't be going down there for a while then. Well, I won't leave it too long. I won't leave it too long to go down there because I quite like it down there because it's quiet, away from the tours, you know. Oh, the staff are still in there.
Go here, how does horse going to feel there? Here you go. Look. Horse over there, look.
There's a mare here. It's
high in Irish.
We've very seen this one, haven't we? Or whatever her name is. We've seen her already, haven't we? Yeah. She's been here ages.
Yeah.
She's here the last time I was here when I was saying no to American Frolic. American Frolic was in the stable the last time you were here, do you remember? She's now down the Cadea. She's down at the barn.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is she okay in there? Yeah.
What did I say? Hey, you do it for me. Give me some big rest.
She's in there for a while. I hope she's wondering if she's all right. There's mares here. Many mares can you count there, Nally? Many mares can you count there? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Tuesday. How many can you count?
11. 11. 1, 2,
There's one down here, look.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count 11 the first one, 10 the second.
That's a very unusual coloured coat there, isn't it? That one here, look.
Yeah.
It's an unusual coloured coat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is this one walking? See the mare walking?
Yeah.
See that one there?
Yeah,
It's a very unusual coloured coat. Very strange coloured coat, isn't it? I wouldn't know what to call it. Whether it's a Rome or kind of a... I wouldn't know what to call it. It's a kind of unusual colour.
yeah.
Coloured, isn't it? I wouldn't know it as a bay. I wouldn't know what colour that is. It's a really unusual coloured bay. I wouldn't know what to call it. It's not brown. It looks like a greeny kind of brown.
Yeah.
Huh? Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Looks like Rome, is it? Rome colour? Huh? It's like more like a Rome colour, is it? Do you see the one walking around there?
Yeah.
Yeah, the one that's walking around the gate there. Look there,
Yeah, I see
there.
it there,
That's looking at her coat.
yeah.
It's a very strange colour.
Yeah.
You know, you're looking, Liam.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah,
The one
see it.
walking up there.
Down there, yeah.
Yeah, she's got an unusual coloured coat.
Yeah.
It's a very strange coloured coat.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know what to call it. It's a very strange coloured brown. It's a very strange coloured brown. I wouldn't know what to call it. Huh?
Roan, isn't it the word?
It's a roan, is it?
Roan.
Roan. More horses here. There's a one over there by the house. It's the chestnut. It's the chestnut one over there by the house. You see that? Chestnut. What time is it? What time is it?
2.
So you don't go down to the Kildare yard? Can I pause this?
Huh?
Can I pause this?
Yeah, yeah.